Hi everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the string concatenation in Python. So how you are going to write this string concatenation programming? First of all, we need to take the two strings. Let's say the first string was first name. First name is equal to input. So you need to input the first name of your name, first name, and another string is called a surname. Okay, surname. Let's say surname is XYZ. So we need to input all those things in the terminal. Need not to write in here because we have written here input method. This method will retrieve the information from the user's input. So whenever the user types in the terminal, it will take that as an user input and gives us the value in the terminal. So how it will give using the print statement. We need to add both the first name and surname. So how we are going to add these two things? So we need to print and uh, write down first name, the name which you want to add first in the sentence, and then put a plus operator. This plus operator means it will concatenate the two strings of first name and the surname, right? So you need to write first name and then surname. Okay. Now let's print this. Now here itself in the file, in the terminal port, you need to write the first name and the surname. After that, it will give the output. So this is called input and output. Okay. Let's say the first name is Shravan. Okay. And then here asking another input and XYZ son. Okay. So have you observed here Shravan XYZ? So here the both the strings are concatenated. So what is mean by concatenation here? Concatenation means adding two strings in the terminal. So I need a space here. So between Shravan and XYZ, there is no space. I need a space here. By that, I can identify the first name and surname. So I'll put here an inverted comma and I'll give an empty space and then I'll use a plus operator. By this, I'll get a space between the two words. One is first name and another one is surname. So this is called concatenation in Python.